back to the channel. So today we got some LED lights that we're gonna be installing on a 2016 Civic. But this is what we're gonna be installing today. We're gonna put these lights right here. It's gonna start from here, run down here, and come down and end right there. That's about 24 inches. So we're gonna take this eyebrow off. Same thing with the other side. We're gonna put the LED lights on there. Then we're gonna put the eyebrow back on there. I'm gonna try not to remove the whole bumper or the headlight. I mean, I wouldn't need to remove the headlight, but I'm gonna try to minimize it. So when you guys have to do it, you don't have to take the whole bumper off. All right, let's get to it. So this is the length of the light. It's gonna go like this, and on this side, it's gonna curve right there. And as you can tell, it fits perfectly. So there will be no need for cutting, which, I mean, if you really want, you can cut. It tells you where to cut it. And like I said, 24-inch one fits the light perfectly, just like how I want it. So there will be no need for me to cut these lights. So you're gonna start by removing these clips. This one, this, and this. And also, I'll just go ahead and remove this whole piece right here, which is like all the clips on there as well, which would be all these clips, just so you can lift this up and get to here. But yeah. So as you can see, I got the eyebrow off. I took this off, took the cover that was here off, and now the eyebrow is loose. There's a clip in here that's holding the bumper to the eyebrow, but it's kind of hard to get to, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. So I peeled the back off. I'm just gonna use a little bit of a heat gun just to get a good of these ones. The driver's side installed. That's what it looks like. From up close, you can kind of see that it's there, but if you're far away, you're not really gonna notice it. So let's go ahead and connect it, and let's see what it looks like. go ahead and install the passenger side, and then I'll show you guys the overall how it looks. So now I'm installing the passenger side, and everything that you did on the driver's side, you're gonna do on the passenger side. It looks like after I finish installing it. So now I'm gonna run the wire. This is right here. I'm gonna run it underneath here, all the way underneath here to where the controller is. It's not as long as I thought it would be, but you know, this is it running all the way on top, right? So if I take it underneath, it might be a little shorter, which means I might have to bring the controller closer. But we'll see. So I finished putting everything back together. I ran the wire from here all the way here underneath here, and then out here. And as I was saying that the wire may be a little too short, I was right. It was short, so I ended up connecting these. Luckily I bought them with the packages that I bought. I'll put a link in the description, but this is what it is. All I did is connect the male side and the female side together right here, and then this is where I placed the controller right there. As you can see, there's a lot of wires right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect it to the positive and the negative straight up. So everything is connected. That's the driver's side. This is the passenger side. And like I said, I placed it right there. I used an extra wire to connect it to the battery right here, and I connected my negative right here. Instead of connected it to the battery, I just connected right here. Either way, it's still good. So this is the car off right now. I'm gonna go turn the car on. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like with the car running.